Meaning of ice cap.
Ice cap.
Ice cap.
Ice cap.
Ice cap. Ice cap refers to a large, thick mass of ice covering land areas at the Earth's poles or high-altitude regions. The ice cap is typically composed of frozen water and snow that accumulates over many years, forming a continuous layer that can be several kilometers thick. These ice caps are important indicators of climate change, as they reflect the amount of ice cover present on the planet. As global temperatures increase, ice caps can shrink, causing sea levels to rise and altering weather patterns. Therefore, monitoring the health of ice caps is crucial to understanding the state of our planet.